So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to lock an image in Design Wizard. So first thing you have to do, open up Design Wizard, then go to the left hand side of your screen, press on the Elements button right here, right in between My Items and Text, press on Elements. Then go to Photos and press on More. Now what you can either do is select a photo that's presented right here, or what else you can do is just go to the top search bar, but I'm going to go ahead here and select this photo of a person playing cricket. So that's going to be my demonstration photo for this video. So once that is done, which hopefully is fairly shortly here, what you have to do is press on the image, go to this top bar right here, and go to this option right here where it says lock, if you want to lock the image. So if you press on lock, just like that. Now, if you were to go press the image, you can't move it around anywhere. If you want to unlock it, press on the image, either unlock it right here or unlock it right here. We'll just press on unlock right here, and then you can unlock the image and move it around and do whatever you have to do. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can lock an image here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.